POWERPULSE Massage Showerhead. High-pressure 2.5 GPM flow and dual showerheads offer 12 spray settings, 6 from each showerhead, including POWERPULSE Shower Massage. Therapeutic Strength Shower Massage. POWERPULSE Massage is clinically shown to help soothe muscle tension, increase flexibility, and promote restful sleep. 3-in-1 Shower. Included 3-way diverter lets you choose the overhead rain showerhead, handheld showerhead with hose, or both showers at once. DIY Easy Installation. This showerhead installs in minutes on any standard shower arm, no plumber or pipe tape needed to enjoy your new massaging showerhead. Affordable performance. Waterpik showerheads provide high style, powerful performance and are an affordable way to quickly and easily upgrade your shower experience. Customer support. Waterpik's Fort Collins, Colorado support team is available to help with any product questions or needs. Top reviews from the United States. This is exactly what I needed. The water pressure was not enough in my apartment on the 7th floor, so I replaced the old shower's head with this marvelous shower's head. I could not expect better. This beauty enhanced the water pressure, and with a portable and a fixed showerhead, cleaning is much easier. Not to mention that with several water patterns, no one will leave the shower unhappy. I would give it 1,000 stars if I could. The only drawback is that it did not have a piping tape included, but that was nothing. I could not be happier.